driving as from age of 13 years. I started driving truck, trailer, which is my dad owned when he's still alive at the age of 16. Now, as far as me I'm concerned, I'm a mechanic. If I have tools in my vehicle, I repair it and keep on moving. I can give myself 10 over 10. Yes, because I've been driving for long and I've been in so many states. Mostly, I like driving for a long distance. Yes, of course, you have to see it. My advice is if you if you are driving automatic, which you don't know anything about manual, you are not complete. So you have to know how to drive manual and automatic. So if you only know how to drive automatic, you can never drive manual at all. But if you can drive manual, you'll be able to drive automatic. Because I like to drive. I love driving. Yes. No. I, I like listening to music or at times to drive me normally. Yes, but if there is music, I like music. I know if my car could talk, it will say good thing about me.